The Delta Nicoli widespread faucet here. This is a really great product. I've been using Delta faucets in all of my properties for a long time. They always work really well. This is the fabric cloth that the heads are in at the faucet. The three parts right here, really nice high quality here. This is the matte black, but this is what you did when you did the Delta package right here. Very easy to install. I could get this installed very quickly. I've been changing these for a long time. If you've never changed a three-piece faucet, I would just watch a couple of videos online. Very easy to get familiar with it. This is what I liked about this one here. I just like the way that this has a nice, it kind of reminds me of like a kitchen faucet. It's got a lot of same details here. It just looks like that. It's got a nice rounded turn compared to a lot of other bathroom vanity fixtures. This is just going to be a really nice addition to the bathroom we're going to be using this in. The matte black finish is really nice. We usually go oil rub bronze or the matte black, depending on which way it works in each room. But again, I'm a repeat buyer of the Delta products here. This two-handle widespread bathroom faucet is great. Again, matte black. It's the Nicoli model. Highly recommend these. Delta is a great product. If you're looking to upgrade your bathroom, definitely want to consider one of these faucets.